welcome back. How is everybody doing? This will be style 2 for today of my press-on nails. So let's go ahead and get started today. So the first thing you're gonna need is whatever favorite nail glue you want to use. Now I've changed my glue to this one. This one I actually got off the TikTok shop. It's supposed to be a stronger, better glue, so we're gonna try this and see how it works. All right, so it is Exclivia nail glue, ultra lasting long, second generation, and it's a brush on application. So we're going to start with that one. You're going to need a nail file, which is this. You're going to need a cuticle pusher, and you're going to need whatever nails that you're going to choose. All right, so we're going to try these nails. These are my zebra design nails that we're going to try today. And here is the nail glue again. So we're going to go ahead and get these nails on here. So I've already freshly cut my nails down. I've done buffed them. I did the filing, and now we're going to go ahead and brush on the application, which is this. All right, so the directions say to brush on the nail. So we're going to brush a lightly coat on this. All right, and then it says to brush the inside of the nail as well with a light coat. All right, and that's what we're going to do. All right, we're going to go ahead and apply the first nail here. All right, we're going to press that down for about 1 or 2 seconds or 2. We're going to press, like I said, we're going to press on the side. All right, and we're going to go ahead and get that excess off so it doesn't dry. Harmed by the watch gum. Let me wipe off this excess. All right, so we did the first 2 nails, so this is the second one. Now the second nail looks gorgeous. I like this. Now I actually cut these down. Really long. This is what the actual size was. Now I can wear long nails, but because of the work I do, I have them a little bit where I can handle grows out or whenever you get ready to take these off, you don't have to worry about the nail damaging your cuticle because it'll trim it off. And mine are so thin, and me getting prior nails over the last 10, probably 10, 15 years I've been nails out. I hardly ever let my nails rest. I just take them out, get a fresh set, and put another one back on, and the nail rest. And they just make this kind of, I've been without nails for almost a month now, and I like the rest of it. Another thing I really like about this is you ain't got to work all that filing. It really made my nail really, for my natural nails. I had to get my nails let's just see if it's of this little nails. My nails are really hard. Especially nail shops, you used to get a full set, like around $40 now. Child, you gonna be shopping and stuff, especially if you get the design. And me, I'm a designer. I like designs on my nails. I cannot wear my nails with no design. Absolutely not. It's just like a plain nail, and I'm not doing that. So, I suggest if you like designs and stuff, and I mean, to each his own. If you can afford it, you can afford it. I mean, I can afford it. It's just I choose not to. I think that doing that, it's just gotten totally out of control and expensive because I think I went and got my nails done for my birthday. I spent almost $200 for nails. So I think that it's better to just get press-ons or whatever you want to do. That's up to you. But I'm just saying mine is the rest of them right now because the prices is ridiculous. It's ridiculous. My best friend, I really do. But I just can't see my money just go like that. I can't see I'm broke, and I don't want to see my money just go down the drain in less than 2 weeks. You take these nails off and you spend somebody told me say they get their nails done, it's $1,000. I'm not doing that. But the nail, from what I see, this nail is strong. So that's what we're going to do. So we can go ahead and do the next, the ring finger, or the next set. So we'll use coat that inside of it. And it, I mean, it just really messes with it. And I was personally faithful to let it go. Every week, sometimes I was feeling how I felt. Everybody else done like 2 times out of the week, you know. So they were like, it was. I know my neck got a lot of they was getting paid for me, and I wasn't getting. I was not a cheap person, and I would take them too. So it's like stuff like that. Yeah, now then, can I stay that way? It's wasting time. It's really wasting time.